Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can embed a presentation from Gamma AI, for example, on your website. So let us guide you through it. Alright guys, so navigate to Gamma AI, log into your account and click into Gamma's on the left panel to access the overview of all of your presentations, be it manually created by yourself or by your co-editors or by the artificial intelligence and the AI-powered presentation builder. Click into the given presentation to access it and to open it, and after that you will see that share button at the top. Click into it. Alternately, you may do that also from that overview and simply click into these three dots here and select share. No matter which option you choose, guys, you'll be redirected to that window or menu here, share, and then you see the title of the presentation. So instead of sharing or inviting someone to work on that presentation, click into embed here. You can also export, but here under embed you will see the embed code or the snippet, so that you may, for example, copy it or click into this button here to copy the embed code to your clipboard, and that's basically it. Now you can use it, for example, to embed it on your website through that snippet code here. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.